How to create a shareable link to share. Click on New, left side above. Click New Folder. Create the name of your folder and hit Create. Click on the three dots right side. Now click on Share. On General Access option, select anyone with the link. Select Viewer to give only read access to everyone. Editor access to read, edit, and remove files to anyone with the link. Now, copy the link and hit Done. Now you have a shareable Google link. To share the folder to only specific person or a group, select Restricted and add the specific email IDs to the people you want to share. And now add files and you have a shareable folder with files and done. Thank you and subscribe.